Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. Today start 6th chapter networking basics and multimedia. Okay, so what is computer network? Computer network क्या होता है? A computer network is made up of multiple computers and other computing device connected is each other that communicate over a wired or wireless multimedia to share data and other resources. क्या होता है ये वायर्ड और या वायरलेस? वाईफाई के थ्रू हम क्या करते हैं, विदाउट वायर को कनेक्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। तो यही होता है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. When the multiple computers and other devices are reconnected through a wired or wireless medium to share and other resources, it is called a computer network. Okay? बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इसमें. नीड फॉर कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स, क्या नीड होती है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क के लिए. नेटवर्क आजकल हम डेली लाइफ में यूज़ भी करना है अपने कि क्या क्या कैसे कैसे हमको नेटवर्क का यूज़ करना है, क्या है. ओके, तो कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स जो है, पहला होता है रिसोर्स शेयरिंग. ओके, सेकंड होता है रिलायबिलिटीज. थर्ड होता है रिडक्शन इन इंस्टॉलेशन कॉस्ट. फोर्थ होता है कम्युनिकेट करना. और फिफ्थ होता है सिक्योरिटी ऑफ डेटा. टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क, 3 टाइप के नेटवर्क होते हैं. लैन, लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. सेकेंड होता है आपका मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. और थर्ड होता है वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. लैन इज ए लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, is a computer network to a computer network that covers a reliability small area. कवर किसको करता है? स्मॉल एरिया को आपके कवर करेगा आपको कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. आपका मैन आता है मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क, कनेक्ट टू वन आर मोर लोकल और कैंपस एरिया नेटवर्क. कैंपस को, एक कैंपस हमारा स्कूल का भी एक कैंपस होता है, उसको क्या करेगा, कवर करेगा आपका मैन. और वैन पूरी की पूरी सिटी को कवर कर सकता है, ठीक है. और आपका ये सारा चीज़ मैन सिटी को भी कवर करेगा, देन पूरे स्टेट की एक सिटी से दूसरे सिटी को भी कवर करता है आपका वैन. तो देखेंगे इसको बुक के थ्रू हम लोग एज ए कैसे कैसे क्या क्या है. ओके, थैंक यू. WAN computer connected to a wide area network are often connected through public network such as the telephone system. They can also be connected through leased line or satellites. Okay, now let's start to what is computer network. A computer network is made up multiple computers and other computing devices connected to each other that communicate over a wired or wireless medium to share data and other resources. When multiple computers and other devices are interconnected through a wired or wireless medium to share data and other resources is called a computer network. Each computer connected in a network is called a node. Okay, this is the node. See this one node, this one node, and this one is a node. Interconnected है, देखिए एक दूसरे से connected है, तो so called node. There are different kind of computer network that work in different way. Network may be very small and simple as in a room, or they may be as complex as a global network like the internet. Also, there may be a wired, wireless or satellite connection between the computers in a network. We need to determine which type of network will best suit our individual or an organization's needs. Okay, now need for computer networks. Some of the main resources for setting up computer networks are resource sharing. In a networks, user working on any computer in the network can access the data, programs, resource like hard disks, printers, scanners, modem, etc. Peripheral device, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ईमेल्स आप यूज़ करते हो ईमेल्स, वही है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल. लाइसेंस सॉफ्टवेयर भी होता है, etc. They can do not this regardless of their physical location that may be at a distance of a few feet, a few miles, hundreds or even thousands of miles from the other computer in the network. In this way, they would be able to share resources and exchange data programs in the same way as they would if they were set up locally. Reliabilities. In a computer network, backups of important and circular information may be kept on several machines so that if one computer is out of order, information can be retrieved from another. Next is reduction in installation cost. In a network setup of computers, the sharing of costly peripheral like printers, scanners, LCD, CD, writers, etc. among the users leads to a substantial reduction in the cost of installation. Now, next is communication. Network computers facilities communication. User can send the mails, documents, and other important data to other computers through the communication channels, thus saving on the both time and money. Now next is security of data. Networks ensured greater security of stored data by enforcing and unauthorization rules for the users. Now next is type of network. 3 टाइप्स के होते हैं बताया गया है. टाइप्स ऑफ नेटवर्क. Computer that are connected together to from a networks may lie close of each other in a room, separate over a small area such as a school or college campus, or they may lie far apart, for example in the 2 different cities or countries. Network can be of 3 main types based on the area they covers: LANs, MANs and WANs. Let us learn about these different types of network. Local area network, LAN. A local area network, LAN, is computer network that covers a small area. Most LAN are configured a signal building or group or buildings. LANs जो होता है एक बिल्डिंग के अंदर या स्मॉल एरिया को कवर करता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. Metropolitan area network, MAN connection, 2 or more local or campus area networks together but does not extend beyond of. Now metropolitan area network MAN. Metropolitan area network MAN connects 2 or more local or campus area networks. 2 कैंपस को क्या कर सकता है, ये कनेक्ट कर सकता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट है वायर्ड एरिया नेटवर्क. ये वायर्ड एरिया नेटवर्क व्हेन computer connected to a wide area network are often connected through a public network such as the telephone system. They can also be connected through leased lines or satellites. Okay.